My dad just ordered a bunch of squishies, and so I'm going to review them and unbox them. So let's go. Oh, I'm strong. I don't think I need to read that. Okay, so first are the gummy bear squishies. All right, so let's unbox it. They have a bunch of colors. They have pink, blue, purple, and yellow. Or orange, I don't know. I think it's yellow, yeah. All right, I'm gonna do a pink since pink is my favorite color. All right. And they're really easy to open, just like that. And yeah, you don't even need scissors. Let's feel it. Ooh, that's really good. It feels like a dream drop or a nice cube. All right, so that is the gummy bear squishy. Okay, just do that. Next is, we'll do this one next. All right, the butter squishy. I'm very excited. I've been wanting one. Okay, so we're gonna take the end piece. All right, let's open it. And these have been really easy. You don't even need scissors, which is good. Okay, it's sticky. That's really good. All right, and that was the butter squishy. That was really good. That's my favorite so far. I rate this like a 10 out of 10. I rate this like a 9.5 out of 10. Like, these are really good squishies. Just depends on what you're looking for. Okay, and last but not least is, oh, this one's heavy. It's stuck. Ow. Sorry. Well, you can tell what it is. All right, you hold the box. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so last but not least is fake dumplings. But it doesn't matter. A squishy's a squishy. All right, this is the one that I had. I had one of these. All right, let's pick a lucky one. Let's hope that it is the glitter or any color. I'm hoping for pink, golden, glitter, or purple, or really any color. All right, I have this exact dumpling, and the trick is, it's kind of hard to get off sometimes, but the trick is to just, the trick is to do that. All right, 3, 2, 1. Wait, that's really cute. I got the tie-dye. It's so good. Wait, did I get a rare? Wait, it must be rare, because like I've never seen one like that. Yes, I rate this like a 10 out of 10. All of these together, a 10 out of 10. We have more squishies to unbox. Okay, lots of paper. The giant butter squishies. Okay. Let's open it. They're ginormous. Let's take one out of the pack. Can I? Okay. Oh, it's so smooth. Let's see how good this squish is. That's really good. This is a good area. 10 out of 10.